Hi, this is Eric Hammer here to talk about eCover Heaven. This is actually a pretty nice product. Um, Anybody who works in the internet marketing world or pretty much anything online, at some point or another, you're going to want to give away what we call a lead magnet. Basically, what that means is that you're giving away something for free in order to get people to cough up their email address and other contact information to you. And so when you do this, a lot of people, what they do is they will put together an ebook of some kind and give that away. Now, the trouble is, of course, when you give away an ebook, you have to have a cover for it. It's just plain and simple that you got to have that. And so what a lot of people do is they go to Fiverr and pay somebody to do it for them. It can add up pretty quickly, especially if you want somebody who does, a quality job, and not to mention it takes time. So that's basically what eCover Heaven is all about. What you're going to get here is basically 100 different e-covers. And he has a sample here to show you, the two things: how to make a pancake, or how to make a pancake. Just, basically it's a ready designed e-cover that looks a lot nicer than what you probably can make on your own. Obviously, you can pay somebody to do it for you, but if you want to be able to do it on your own, this is the way to do it without having to spend a lot of money. And it's $10, and I'm going to show you right now some of the e-covers that he's actually offering you to use. So take a look over here. Some really nicely done stuff. Some of them I'm not like super excited about, but you get 100 of these, and when you get 100 of these things, that's it's worth buying. Bottom line, this is worth buying for the price. Basically, you're getting 100 of them for 10 cents for $10. So what does that work out to, like 10 cents a piece? It's a no-brainer basically. There are a couple of upsells. Basically, right now, what you're getting with this package is going to be personal use rights, which means you can use it for anything you're building yourself. If you are a developer, for example, if you create ebooks for other people, you're going to want to buy the first upsell, which, if I recall correctly, is $27. I think it'll definitely be on my review page. Regardless, I'm just doing this off the cuff without having the page in front of me. You're also, by the way, going to be getting all these graphics. These are individual graphics that you can cut and paste and use in anything you like. You have the full right to reuse them for any of your own products, just not to reuse them in products that you sell to other people for their as a developer, basically. So if you create your own stuff, you're going to need to get that upsell. There's a third upsell, if I recall correctly, $17. You get another 50 ebook covers. Actually, correction, the first upsell also gives you another 50 ebook covers. So if you bought all of them together, you would get 200 ebook covers in total. A lot of different niches, so definitely worth picking up for $10, I think. Yeah, go for it. If you don't like to design stuff, he's also offering you a couple of additional bonuses here, which are really nice stuff. So you're gonna get. He actually has his own training on how to customize these things without using Photoshop. I'm actually going to be giving you my custom bonus also. I have a custom bonus where I teach you to, first of all, how to customize PLR products and also how to customize these ebook covers. So you're going to get that. You're also going to get from me my traffic multiplier training, which is a really nice training based on 10 years of experience online with 5 free methods of generating traffic online. So a really, really nice thing. In addition to these, I'm going to give you my keyword attack, which is basically a guide to picking out the right keywords. And I'm also going to be giving you my 10 Instagram squares, which are really, really nice as well. Oh, there you go, $7.14. Wow. Okay, I thought it was more than that. But anyway, really nice stuff. So go ahead, pick it up. I think you're going to be very pleased with this. And make sure you pick it up because obviously he's doing this on a dime sale. So go for it right now.